G'day, my name's Greg.
Hi, my name is Kel, and Greg and I are the founders of the business Tankel.
Now, Kel and I have both lived in bushfire-prone areas for 30 plus years, and both of us have witnessed bushfires up close. And I can tell you, one year in particular, that quite a number of homes around us were destroyed. I have seen firsthand how a bushfire looks pretty small, and before long we've been attacked by thousands of embers.
Because of the threat of ember attacks, fire agencies every year recommend house owners to prepare their house by cleaning the gutters and, if possible, climb on a ladder, plug the downpipe and fill the gutter up with water. Now, that should then protect the house to a higher level. However, it doesn't happen very often because it is dangerous climbing a ladder in those conditions, and you don't want to injure yourself.
Yeah, that's right. So we both got together and we've come up with this simple, practical solution to help protect homes from ember attacks.
So what we have invented is the FPS, the fire prevention system.
Now, keeping it quite simple, what the FPS is, basically it's an electric plug designed to block the downpipe, allowing you to fill the gutters with water.
What's unique about the FPS is that it is operated via your smartphone using the internet, allowing you to activate it from anywhere. Also, it is battery driven, requires simple installation and very little maintenance.
After the initial industrial design phase, our main partner has been the University of New South Wales. They have assisted us in addressing a number of challenges, including the development of mechanical blocking systems, material selections, communication systems, and remote functionality. Through this collaboration, we have successfully reached a fully operational proof of concept prototype. Moving forward, development will continue as we expand and refine additional functionalities within the FPS. The threat posed by bushfires and ember attacks is well understood by homeowners across nearly 2 million properties in bushfire-prone areas throughout Australia. Fire agencies, local authorities and insurance companies have all responded positively to our solution, the FPS. The FPS is currently the only remote control system of its kind built on proven existing technology. Our next stage of development will focus on product refinement, technical validation and achieving full compliance and certification. The intellectual property for the FPS is fully owned by Tankel. Based on previous work undertaken with the University of New South Wales, the current technology readiness level is assessed at level 5. Through further development, our aim is to advance a TRL to level 7. Our target customers are homeowners in bushfire-prone areas across New South Wales, expanding to Australia and eventually reaching global markets. We plan to connect with these customers through a combination of local media promotion, supported by the University of New South Wales, along with strategic social media campaigns. Distribution will be driven through both direct sales and established retail chains, including major outlets such as Bunnings, Mitre 10 and other key retailers. In addition, we will closely work with fire protection service providers, installers and builders, enabling the system to be incorporated into both new builds and retrofit applications. As the product matures, we will continue advocating for the inclusion of the FPS within the National Construction Code, ensuring it becomes a standard solution for both new and existing buildings. This project tackles a critical challenge for New South Wales, protecting homes in bushfire-prone areas as fire seasons grow longer and more intense. What we're developing is a simple, reliable protection system built on a proven concept and fast-tracking it into a field-ready solution. All fundings will stay in New South Wales, supporting local jobs across research, manufacturing and installation, which aligns with government priorities by strengthening local industry, driving innovation and creating an export-ready bushfire technology.
Well, that concludes the short presentation of our invention, the FPS. This year, the New South Wales Rural Fire Service has a serious warning. Remember, one ember can end it.
FPS can prevent it.